The app includes a powerful customization layer for your incidents. Think of it as a gatekeeper. When Prisma SASE incidents are ingested, they don't just get dumped straight into the ServiceNow incident table. They first must pass through your customization layer. This layer applies rules you configure to transform the incident before it's officially created. You have a ton of control here. For instance, you can create custom severity mappings. If SASE calls an incident high severity, but your internal process treats it as medium severity, you can set that rule. You can even use keywords from the incident itself to automatically modify the severity or other fields via transform scripts. You can map SASE data to your CI field. For instance, you can tell the app to take the IP field from the alert and use that to populate the CI field in the ServiceNow ticket. You can also modify and create custom status mappings. Maybe your workflow requires a ticket to be open, even if the SASE status is clear. You can make that mapping happen through the app itself very easily. And for complete granular control, the app supports transform scripts, which I mentioned before. You can write your own code to customize exactly how incidents are classified, however you want. The benefits of this are all about operational efficiency. Improved routing and assignment is the first one. By mapping the CI field and setting the correct severity from the start, the incident is immediately routed to the correct IT or SecOps team. This speeds up triage a ton. This directly leads to faster response and resolution time. You're eliminating manual steps and ensuring correct prioritization, which lowers your mean time to respond and mean time to resolve, minimizing the business impact. And ultimately, this helps you enforce your SLAs. That automated prioritization and routing are key to ensuring your high priority security incidents are always addressed in a timely manner. So let's take a look at a demo of how you can customize your incidents. The Prisma SASE app makes it very easy to customize how incidents are ingested and classified. Let's take a look at how we can do that. So first, I'll go to the basic settings page under App Setup, and that'll take me to this page right here. Next, I'll go to the Customize Configuration tab right here, and that'll take me to this section right here where I can modify the incident mapping table, and I can view the incident status mapping, incident severity, and incident urgency mapping. Let's take a look at the incident urgency mapping to see how we can customize things. So the way it works is Prisma SASE has its own classifications of incident severity, either critical, high, informational, and warning. And ServiceNow has its own classifications as well, either high, medium, or low. So because of these inconsistencies, we need to create a sort of mapping from the Prisma SASE side of things to the ServiceNow side of things. And I can entirely modify that to the apps UI, right? So if I want an incident that has a severity of warning from the Prisma SASE side of things to be classified as low, I can entirely set that up. So that way I can adjust which incidents are ingested, how they're ingested, and such. I can entirely customize that. So similarly, I can customize the mapping of incident status and incident severity. Next, we can also customize the incident mapping table. So to do that, I'll go to this Customize Configurations tab right here. I'll click on Configure and then go to Incident Mapping. Here, I can see how things are mapped from the source field table to the target field table. And I can also write my own scripts to customize how the table is populated itself. Additionally, I can write my own transform scripts to entirely customize which incidents are ingested or how they're classified and such. I can customize incidents based on a keyword by writing my own scripts right here. And I can select when like this filter or field that I create is executed before, like either before it's before the incident populates the table, after it populates the table, and there are a couple other options right here. So I can entirely customize that. So this is yet another powerful tool of the Prisma SASE app. I can entirely customize how my incidents are ingested, viewed, and classified. Awesome.